Understanding blame. Key word for IELTS success. Have you ever pointed your finger at someone when something went wrong? Today, we're exploring the word blame, a common term that's crucial for IELTS learners aiming for a band score of 6.5. Word type. Blame can function as both a verb and a noun in English. Meaning, as a verb, to blame means to say or think that someone or something is responsible for a fault or wrong. As a noun, blame refers to responsibility for a fault or wrong. Word history. The word blame has an interesting origin. It comes from the Old French word blasphemer, which in turn derives from the Latin blasphemare, meaning to reproach or condemn. This Latin word is also the source of the English word blaspheme. Antonyms. Some antonyms for blame include praise, commend, and exonerate. These words represent the opposite of assigning fault or responsibility. Synonyms. Synonyms for blame include accuse, condemn, criticize, and hold responsible. These words all involve attributing fault or wrongdoing to someone or something. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use blame in sentences. As a verb, the manager blamed the team's poor performance on lack of practice. As a noun, the blame for the project's failure was shared among all team members. Here's a more complex sentence using blame. Despite the CEO taking full responsibility, shareholders continued to apportion blame to the entire board of directors for the company's financial losses. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing blame with shame. While blame is about assigning responsibility, shame is about feeling embarrassed or guilty. For example, you might say, "I blame myself for the accident, but I feel ashamed about lying about it." Another error is using blame with the preposition to. The correct preposition is on or for. For instance, you would say, "Don't blame your mistakes on others, not to others." To wrap up, understanding and correctly using the word blame can significantly enhance your English proficiency. Remember, it can be both a verb and a noun, and it's about assigning responsibility. Practice using blame in your speaking and writing, being mindful of its correct usage with prepositions. Mastering words like blame will help you express complex ideas clearly, a key skill for achieving that 6.5 band score in IELTS.